Welcome guys to another video, and I'm Nair, and this is a chugging video. I don't know when this video is coming out, honestly, but I'm pre-recording this. I have another drink to chug. I'm recording this on a Friday, but the video you see is not gonna be this, but yeah. This chug is Serum Mist. Looks like it's sweating. It is. I've let it kind of cool down and just sit here. But yeah, it's still really cold. Serum Mist used to be one of my favorite drinks. Serum Mist used to be Sprite before I started drinking Sprite. No, not really. If they don't have, if like a place doesn't have Sprite, I get this. Yeah. God, this feels like Sprite all over again, but it tastes different. It just feels like just bubbles are going down your throat, bro. Did I cut myself again? Looks like I did. Or I gotta cut myself again. Just dripping. I'm trying to stay away from the wires from my ring light and my computer. I have it plugged into. Sprite 2.0. This is like dripping. Bro, my stomach actually is hurting, bro. I feel a burp coming. If I could throw this at you, I could throw this and not do damage, I would. I just burped, but okay, I'm done. If you just saw that, sorry. That was kind of gross. Oh. Anyway, guys, I failed again. I just want to go, just like that, but I can't, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on, share to at least one friend, comment down below. See you guys in this video. I just burped again. Peace.